let's get more time. Let's get more Let's go, right now, what's up? Hey, let's go, big drive, boys, let's go! Stop! Watch the roll! Come on, let's go! Get up there. Get low, guys. My ball is about that, too. Get up, boys. Hey, let's D up. B. It's on the back. Come on. Come on, guys. Hey, let's score, Jeff. Yeah, come on, guys. Let's go, Andy. Come on. John, keep on swinging. Keep on swinging. Change it up, Andy. It's one block. Yes. Oh. Points up right here. They start getting high, you know, myself. We're going to start getting high. Pump it up. Oh, you still gonna go by over there? Yeah. Come on, let's go, John. Go. Go, John. Let's go. I wish we could do that. Everybody in the room.
Danny D, I feel like he getting hot there. I'll be a patient for them.
You got tags, you have to be at a second line.
What about you guys down here? Those throwing their too shy.
Don't touch this, okay? Don't touch this.
Six of it on the one for you. What's up there?
One's up behind me.
Might be the cheerleader or something. Oh, man. All right, guys. Are you scared like a girl toy? You can have fun.
Get your head in. Take it up, Andy. Take it up.
All right. You got people all over the country. You got
Come on! Hey, energy!
Yeah, Michigan, you hear that? All right.
Hey, overall, hold on, get ready for it.
You got that. I see that.
Kill it.
Then they start yelling way over here. You got right here. All right, that's good. What's up with that, man? Look at that. Look at that. Look at, talk too much about it. You don't want to talk. What the hell? You don't want to talk too much. Out.
Let's go, Brandon.
You got your joke, man. I think he's an Asian. Man, I love him, man. Thank you for saying that, man.
Keep on pushing, boys! One at a time, we got him right here!
System to decide what to do. Just like us.
I look at it like shit.
Yeah, so my body now starts to gonna be like last night. Look at my beer right here, man. Wow. Got your name all over. Man, the big, the small, the skinny. Oh, man.
Shout out to Big Bang!
Big beer, I don't know. Man. I got a sound stroke in here, man. I ain't even think
You
about
got
it.
Get him!
Just make me so happy, and I just...
Andy!
I would think everything go, I guess. Man. at some beautiful Asian man. Handsome Asian man. Our brother man's here. Man, we got all kind of color up here, man. So we love each other like that. That's the way to go. Man, that's the way to do the 4th of July, 2016. How about this? Oh, you guys got the bracelet. Today, you show them that you got the bracelet on you today that they give to you. You will get you 10% discount at this time.
Hey, let's go. It's not over. Come on, energy, baby. Let's go. Come on.
Those bracelets you have something more destiny coming.
Sir!
So you guys can bring your loved one to go Disney Cafe to restaurants and show them you get 10% discount. If they say no, tell them to call me. Oh, here, I'll be sure.
Get hot,
Get hot, yeah, just some beer or something. You got to offer me a beer or something like that. All these party people up here, man. Oh, let's go! It's okay, man. As long as you got have a beer, yeah, that's good enough for me. So just
Watch the roll. Watch the roll.
Let's go. Team on three. 1, 2, 3, team.
And have to work with me, okay? That's the rule of all in there that everyone has to do.
There you go.